Hi, my name is Dr. Robin Abramczyk, and I'm a holistic dentist in Heath, Texas. The name of my practice is Smile Ranch Dentistry, and I am here with one of our favorite patients, Marisa and Jessa. And how many months is she now?
She's 7.
7 months, okay. And Marisa's going to share with us about her journey with breastfeeding and the struggles that she had with Jessa. And so would you just tell us a little bit about the symptoms, the issues that you were having early on?
Well, one of the biggest things was she was on acid reflux and she had a really slow weight gain, and it was kind of affecting her jaundice.
Okay.
And her latch wasn't just as deep. I would look at other people and the latch just wasn't as deep as I thought it should be. And my nipples,
they were sore.
Oh, and bleeding. And
oh my
blisters.
Gosh. And that was from the very beginning when she was born. You had latch issues.
Yes.
And were you evaluated by anyone?
No, because I was kind of scared to say, because I thought it was just maybe me that I didn't know how to.
Yeah.
So that was, I think as a mother, everybody just automatically blames themselves instead of looking into it.
So you went to her pediatrician, and how did that go? Did you bring up the issues about breastfeeding?
And she just really didn't listen to me and wanted me to supplement with formula, and that was just something that I was totally against. Not that I'm against formula feeding, but it wasn't what I wanted.
Right.
So it kind of made me look for what could be causing all the symptoms, what could be causing her acid reflux and colic symptoms as well.
And she was put on reflux medicine?
Yes.
By the pediatrician?
Yes, ma'am.
And the pediatrician recommended supplementing with formula?
Yes.
Okay, and so at that point you were feeling
so discouraged.
Yes. And then you were determined to have a healthy breastfeeding relationship.
Yes.
And your gut, your instinct told you need to look. Okay, and so what happened after that?
I Google and
awesome.
Asking other moms and of course Facebook has so many groups that you can get into, and
absolutely.
I started looking more like at her lip and her tongue, and you were actually on one of my mommy groups. You were one of the preferred ones, so that's why I just automatically got the call, made the appointment.
Yeah.
So
okay, so Jessa had the release here in the office.
Yes.
Tell me about after. What did you experience yourself? What did she experience?
Well, it was like immediate difference. The latch was so much deeper, and you could tell that she was really getting what she needed.
And how about you?
Oh, I can't tell you the relief that I felt afterwards, because there was no more bleeding nipples, no more pain.
Okay.
Until now she's teething, but
yeah. She has her amber. I like that. And so what about the reflux? What happened with that and the medicine?
I kind of, on my own, I started going lower on the reflux medicine, because one of the things that I had read is that it helps with the reflux. So after a while, I just completely stopped it, and her reflux was nothing. Like, she went from throwing up pretty much after every feeding to maybe once or twice to nothing.
So now she doesn't have any reflux issues at all.
No.
She's off her meds.
Yeah.
You're breastfeeding. You're happy. She's happy.
It's amazing, amazing, amazing. I can't tell you. Without this, we probably wouldn't be breastfeeding at the moment. So.
That is amazing. Thank you so much for sharing and giving hope to other mommies and babies. And we're just so blessed to have you here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us.